Hello students, today we are going to do second part of our lesson enormous turbidity. In this lesson we are going to do NCERT exercise solutions. So first question is here, what did the old man plant? What did he plant? Turnip seeds. What did old man plant? Turnip seeds. Okay. What's next? Why was it difficult for the man to pull up the turnip? Why was it difficult? Because the turnip was enormous. What? The turnip was enormous. Why was it difficult? Because turnip was enormous. Who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Who all helped him? Yes, the old woman and who else? The boy. Yes, and who else? The girl. These three helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Who ate the enormous turnip? All four. So you have to write names of all four who all ate the enormous turnip. Okay, now you have to write and draw four vegetables and name them in your language also, which we pull out from the earth, like carrot, and what could be possible? You have to write four vegetables here. Okay, now how many vegetables can you see in the maze? Draw a circle around. One is done for you here. Now you have to find all the vegetables names in the maze. One is here, yes, beans, and the second one is peas. What is second one? Peas. And what else is here? Turnip. And one more, tomato. Yes, one more is also here. Can you find? Can you search? Okay, let's see. ड्रॉ करने से पहले कौन बताएगा कौन सा है ये? यस, carrot. All names are here. Carrot किसका कब मिलता है carrot? Yes, winter में. And carrot juice is also very healthy. Okay. Okay, you have to play a game of opposite. In last class we did opposites. So you have to play a game of opposite. Pull, push. Black. Black का क्या होगा? What will be opposite of black? Oh, it's yes. What will be opposite of black? White. And what will be opposite of true? Yes, false. The opposite of right? And what else also possible? Yes. Okay. What is opposite of far? Yes. Near. Opposite of good? Bad. Opposite of dark? Bright. Very good. And opposite of up, it's down. What is this? Down. Opposite of old? New. Okay, here's the activity for you that you have to perform and send pictures to me. Here is an empty glass. You have to require following: glass, blotting paper, sand, seeds. These are seeds of bean, or these are kidney beans. Which beans? Kidney beans, that we call rajma. Okay, so you have to take glass and put blotting paper like this, and bit it in middle of it. You have to fill sand. Sand should not be much more. After that, wet the sand, place the sand, wet the sand, and place few seeds between glass and the blotting paper, and see that how seeds are separate from each other, and make a table in which you have to write following entries. In the first, you have to mention day. Second, which part grows. In third, you have to mention size of your plant. Okay, day 1, day 2. As on day 2 roots appear, so you have to write roots and write size of your plant. Okay, and you also have to perform an activity that is called friendship salad. So what are the things that you require for this? Carrots, tomatoes, peas, spoonful of lemons. But you don't have carrot, yes, in this session, and in this season you also don't have peas. So let's make a different kind of salad. What are the things that you require? Cucumber. What you need? Cucumber. Okay. tomato, okay, tomato, onion, lemon, and sprouts. Okay, then mix well all these and squeeze lemon into it, add salt and mix well and share your picture. Picture of salad. Don't forget to share the picture. Okay. Okay. Now you have to tell me how do you eat all these vegetables. Carrot you eat raw, as I also like to eat raw and cooked carrot. Turnip both raw and cooked. Potato not raw. Raw potato is not tasty. Onion. In salad raw and also cooked. Beans can be raw and cooked also. So you have to tell me why do you like to eat these raw or cooked. You have to give me a reason also and you send it to me, okay, in your notebook. Okay, now you have to, it's your work to name 4 vegetables that you ate last week. In 1 week, which are the vegetables that you ate, and you have to send it. Okay. Now in last class we also did one or many. So let's see once again. 1 carrot, many carrots. 1 turnip, many turnips. 1 onion, many onions. 1 tomato, many tomatoes. अब आप देख रहे होंगे यहाँ तो सिंपल एस है, यहाँ ई एस है, ऐसा क्यों? तो इसके लिए रीज़न क्या है, जब कोई भी वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट पे फिनिश होता है, यू आर सीइंग हियर कॉन्सोनेंट TPN, जब कोई वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट पे फिनिश होगा तो यूज होगा सिंपल एस. नॉट ऑल कॉन्सोनेंट्स बट many consonants. But when a word finishes at a vowel like O, then it is used ES. Okay, and when a word finishes at Y, then it becomes Y becomes IES. Okay, now you have to write 2 words ending with Y and their plurals. Okay, now you have to pick out odd one out. Turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, brinjal. Which is odd one out? Yes, sunflower, because it is a flower and others are vegetables. Now let's see in second: cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo, melon. Okay. Now it's a melon. Melon is fruit and others are animal. Yeah, you are doing good. Now banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple. Here is odd snake because others are trees: rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. Yeah, it is ending with flower, but it's not a flower, it's a vegetable. Okay, next: peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker. Here is different is lizard. Very good. And we did it long sound O vowels. Yes, so you have to write this and speak this aloud. These are rhyming words. Full, full. Yes. So cool, root, shoot. Foot is not a rhyming word. Okay. Cut, but, shut. Yes. These are rhyming words. Thanks students, and do this work and send to me.